Alright, I will start. My presentation is something called jalsa. And the jalsa in Arabic, it translates into a sit-in or a get-together. And what happens in a jalsa, it's very traditional Middle Eastern, kind of like what we studied with Native Americans when, they have I guess the Inuit within, they have the room for dancing and, singing and music. This is kind of like it. Only I tried to create what it looks like, with low seating. Usually it's like traditional red folkloric fabric and carpet and, fireplaces on the side and curtains, but that's the best that I can make out. And during what happens in a jalsa is people sing, dance, and play instruments. And they're very popular in the Gulf region of the Middle East more than other places. And there's two things I'm going to be talking about that go on during the jalsa. One thing is how the music goes. There is something called clapping percussion, and it's very popular in Arabic music, especially in the Gulf. And what they do is they create a sound with just the claps. It's very complex and very, it takes a lot of, expertise to do it, but in practice. But I mean, anybody can do it, and it's really, really fun, and it's cool to hear. So what happens, I had trouble getting a dot wave clip to have on, in Second Life, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play it through my microphone, and just, for you guys to have an idea of what I'm talking about when I say, the clapping percussion. Has anybody heard something like that before?
No.
No? Okay, hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
So what is you're gonna hear the music also. So try to focus on the clapping and notice how it is. There's probably about 10 people that are doing it in the song, and they don't do the same sound. There's maybe 8 of them are doing one kind of clap, like clap, 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 and then another set of people that are doing just one. And then when you put them together, you have a really nice percussion sound. So hold on 1 second. Do this. Okay. You guys hear it?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yes.
Okay, if you notice, it's very fast, but it's not everybody doing the same thing at the same time. It's like divided, like I said, clap, clap, and then another person that does clap, and then another one that does clap, 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 And when you put it together, it's really, really nice. And sometimes they actually do it without music, but I couldn't find a clip that's without music. And I couldn't have enough people to record one myself, so I just figured that one would be really nice to show you. And another thing I'm going to be talking about is the qanun. The qanun is an instrument that I thought it's not very popular, and I really like it, and I like the sound of it, and I want you guys to be introduced to it. And I don't know if you noticed, but I made my carpet, the picture of the instrument. I don't know if you guys can know. It's kind of like a trapezoid shape with strings. It's a string instrument. Can you guys see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Spell the word.
Qanun, it's Kanun.
Thank you.
Okay? It's a string instrument, and it looks kind of like an old Egyptian harp. But what happens is you put it on your lap, and you pluck the strings with with fingernails, both hands. Some people use the what is it called? Like by the picks, with the picks, in like the guitar picks, yeah. And you can use your fingernails too, but it's really, really nice, really old, very traditional. And I'm gonna make you guys listen to what it sounds like too. So hold on one second. That clip on too. Okay, so this is what the Qanun sounds like. And in this song, it was played as a solo, as an introduction to a song, and then, you know, the other, you know, instruments start all together. And it's really, really fun. They sit, like, people sit at Jalsat for, I don't know, maybe like 6 hours singing and dancing and singing and dancing. And there's a lot of other instruments, but I know I don't have a lot of time to introduce all of them, so I just introduced my favorite. Do you guys have any questions?
I just want to say, like, I love the way that that instrument sounded. My sister's Iranian, and I love any kind of Persian or Middle Eastern music, and I think the rug was really cool.
Thank you. It's really nice. Really nice favorite.
Yeah, you did a great job.
Thank you.
Job.
Wonderful.
Do we have to do the clapping?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what's gonna happen. Like, I'm gonna have to split you guys in 2 teams, okay? So, I will have Scorp, and then Maria, Babu, and Mac. That's 4, well, and Ragai too. Okay, you're one group. Then I have Chris, VIP Christopher, Lewis, Zuko, Dusty, and I can be with you 2 guys. And what happens is, with the clapping, Scorp's group, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 2 claps, okay? And this is how it's gonna go. You're gonna do clap, clap. Did you get the beat? Very quickly. Clap, clap, clap. Yep. Okay. And then the other guy is one. Just one. Clap. 1, 2, clap. Count 1, 2 between each clap. So do like clap, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2. And then the other guy, and then we'll do it together, and you know what I mean, you know how it sounds. Do you want to try it?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright. Okay, ready? Alright, I'm gonna count to 3 and then we can start. Babu's group is 2 claps, and then Lewis drums 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, that just sounded like one applaud, but you know, at least you tried.
I think we did it. That's
Yeah.
Second Life technology.
Yeah, that's Second Life technology, true.
Thank you so much, Rahida.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. Kyle, please.
Yes.
Mac.